Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, on this channel I like to share. I'm a real estate agent here in Miami, Florida. So I sell home in Miami Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Southwest Ranches. If you're new to my channel, I have a ton of videos on here showing a lot of luxury properties. But today I want to share with you guys how you can save some money and show your skin a lot of love. So this video is not sponsored at all. I paid for everything with my money, but I wanted to share because I've been using these products for, I don't know, like about more than 6 months now, and I see a difference in my skin, meaning my face and my body. And I wanted to share these products with you guys. So I picked up a few of these products over Black Friday weekend, and the reason why is it's kind of mid-price range, but it's so good and it makes your skin feel so soft and so glowy, and just like it just makes you feel really good. So over the weekend they had a huge sale, 50% off and 30% off. I'm talking about Kiehl's, and I know that I got a big bag, yeah, and I buy it when it's on sale. If I run out before any sale, I'm definitely gonna get it because it's definitely worth it. But I want to show you guys and let you guys know that the amount of savings that I save, you guys can save it too. Like when they have a 30% sale, that's really good, but over the weekend they had a 50% sale. So I got this lotion, and this lotion is $54 originally, and they took off $27 off. Like, and this lotion, everybody know about the creme de corps. Like, this stuff makes your body feel so soft. Now, it doesn't have any scent, but just the feeling it gives off, it gives your body over time, you're just gonna be like smooth like a baby. Like, honestly, this stuff is really good. If you don't get anything from what I'm showing you guys, get this. But the lotion, amazing. But another thing that I love is I love the oil. This is a nourishing dry body oil. I've tried other oils, and honestly this one smells amazing, feels good, it's not sticky, and it gives you that beautiful glow. Like, the glow is just like everything. I'm going to spray a little bit so you guys could see, because then you can see, you know, hopefully you can see. Let me show you. So look at that glow. This stuff is just the bomb, diggy diggy diggy, so good. Okay, so another thing I got is the Calendula, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, deep cleansing foaming face wash. I'm gonna leave everything down below anyway, but this face wash, it's the deep cleansing face wash. I use it to take my makeup off. I know a lot of people love oils to take the makeup off, or makeup wipes. I use this. I put this on and I do 2 wash, and it gets everything off. By the time I go in with a 3rd wash, everything is already off, and it doesn't make my skin feel dry or tight. It honestly gives it a little bit of moisturizing. Like, yeah, this stuff is good. So I got the big bottle this time because, oh, forgot to tell you the price, I'm sorry. So this was originally $54 and I saved $28. No, $56 and I saved $28. And the oil was, the body oil is $35, and I saved $10.50 off the oil. So I guess the oil probably was like 30%. Yeah, but yeah. And so I ended up getting 2 of the lotion because the big bottle is $96, and the big bottle was 30% off. Small bottle was $54, and it had 50% off. So for $27 or something like that, I think it's all worth it. So I got 2 instead. And then of course they had like little free gift that you get. And of course you should never go in there, purchase anything and not get a sample. I love the Ferlic Brew. I have the Ferlic Brew. Oh, I got the toner too. I'm gonna go get it and show you guys because I already started using it because I already have the lotion and the deep cleanse. I have it in the shower and all that, so I didn't have to take it out the bag. But I have the toner. I got the toner because I used the Ferlic Brew Rejuvenating Facial Essence. So I got the toner as well. So let me grab it and show you guys. Yeah, so the toner was $67 and it was 50% off. So they took off $33.50. So I spent, the total was $212 and I spent $113 plus tax, so $120. So like, listen, you can't beat that. But let me grab the toner so I can show you guys the toner as well. Okay, so I grabbed the toner and I also grabbed the Ferlic Brew essence that they have. This essence is good. A lot of people love fresh, but this one makes your face feel super soft, like very soft. And I'm all about being soft and giving that skin that really beautiful glow. And you know, when your skin feels good, I don't know, it makes you feel good as well. So this is the toner. I've never tried their toner before. I used to use the Dermalogica Sports Toner, which you kind of like just spray it on. I actually like a really spray toner, but I said I'll give this one a little bit of a try. It has, I guess some leaf, well, not leaf, but flowers. Yeah, flowers. And put flowers in it. So, yeah, so you know, it has some flowers in there, and I guess it's like a tea. It's made with the whole flowers and pure extract, and it's for normal to oily skin. And I've started using it and I actually really like it. Doesn't make my face feel soft. If anything, it makes it feel a little bit more clean. And I guess that's what toner does. Like, it's something to use right after you cleanse to make sure you get off that excess dirt. So I love it. So I wanted to share this video with you guys. Yeah, you know, on here I really like to share, and this is just my honest opinion of the products. And I like to share stuff that I buy and I use and how it makes me feel, and give you guys my honest, you know, review on products. So if you want to try it, I'm gonna leave all the products down below. And yeah, and guess what, I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye guys.